is equal to 10 and 4x plus 2y is equal to 20. The sole purpose of the elimination method is to make sure that we remove out one of the variables, because if it's out, you can get the remaining variable. So to remove a variable, let's say x, we are going to need to make sure that both of these coefficients of x are having the same value on them. Since the first one is 1 and the second one is 4, we have to make the 1 become a 4. So to do that, we shall put a 4 here, and here we can multiply by 1. By multiplying 4 by the whole equation and multiplying 1 by the second equation, we shall have 4 times x giving us 4x, 4 times 3y giving us 12y, and 4 times 10 giving us 40. Then 1 times 4x plus 2y is equal to 20. Now here, we are going to subtract these two equations from each other. 4x minus 4x will give us a 0. So we'll be left with 12y minus 2y, which gives us 10y, and 40 minus 20, which gives us 20. So now that we have 10y is equal to 20, we shall divide this by 10 and this by 10, giving us our y as 2. After getting our y as 2, we can substitute y in any of the equations to get x. For example, we shall say x plus 3y is equal to 10. Since our y is 2, we'll have x plus 3 into 2, giving us 10, x plus 6 giving us 10. By taking 6 to the other side, our x will be 4. And that's how we use the elimination method for the first part of our equation. If we look at the second example, we have 3x minus 2y equals to 9, y plus 5x equals to 28. We cannot carry out elimination here before we interchange and make sure that both variables are on the same side of the equation. So we shall take 5x to this side. So we shall have 3x minus 2y is equal to 9, 5x plus y is equal to 28. Here we can now apply the elimination. So we want to remove the x from these equations. We shall put the 5 here to multiply with the 3, and then the 3 to multiply with the 1 with the 5, so that we both get 15 on both of them. So we'll have 15x minus 10y is equal to 45. Then 15x plus 3y is equal to 28 times 3, that is 24. 3 times 2, 6, and 8, that's 84. Which means this gives us 84. When we subtract, 15x minus 15x will give us an automatic 0. So we have gotten rid of the x. Then we have negative 10 minus 3y. That gives us negative 13y. Which later gives us 45 minus 84. So we'll have 84 minus 45. That is 9, that is 39, so it's negative 39. Negative 13y is equal to negative 39. By dividing negative 13 on both sides, we get our y as 3. Since we have our y as 3, we can substitute it in any of these two equations to get the x. So we shall take this one, for example. 3 plus 5x will be equal to 28. By taking 3 to the other side, we'll have 5x giving us 25. When we divide by 5 on both sides, our x will be equal to 5. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this session. Please like and subscribe, and I'll meet you all in my next segment.